So you've got Moneris Go. Now what? Stay tuned for everything you need to know about setting up your terminal. What's in the box? Let's get started by taking a look inside the box. You should have your Moneris Go terminal, a charging cable, a roll of receipt paper, and your welcome sticker. Receipt paper. The first thing we'll do is add the receipt paper to your terminal with the paper unrolling from the bottom, like so. Charging your terminal. It's always a good idea to start your day on a full charge. Plug in your terminal and confirm it's charging when you see the lightning bolt on the battery icon appear. Turning your terminal on. Once you're charged up, press and hold the power button for about 2 seconds until the screen illuminates. Connectivity setup. Once your terminal is on, it will connect automatically to a cellular network. You can also connect to Wi-Fi in the Quick Settings panel by swiping down from the top of the screen. Tap Wi-Fi and choose a network you'd like to connect to. Initial setup. Next, we'll set up everything you need to start using your terminal. First, tap Go to connect to the Moneris network and pull any of your existing information. Next, we'll start by creating an admin user. If you've already done this on another terminal, you'll be moved on to the next step automatically. To start creating an admin user, set your preferred language and a username that is easy to remember. Next, add your name, enter your email address if you like, and set a password that is at least 4 characters long. Now we'll walk through some basic settings, starting with receipt settings. Tap Go to begin. To accept the default settings, hit Next, or you can toggle the fields as desired. Cardholder choice allows your customers to choose an email, text, or printed receipt, or no receipt at all. If this is set to the off position, the terminal will automatically print. Do you want to accept tips? Next, you'll review these settings to turn tips on or off. Preset amounts are presented to the customer for their convenience and to speed up the payment process. Once you're happy, tap Next. Next up are the transaction settings, including the transaction identifier setting, which lets you create a field for custom transaction information at the point of sale, like an invoice number or customer ID. If you're happy with the default transaction settings as they appear, you can simply hit Next. If you'd like to make changes to the settings on this screen, simply toggle on the fields you'd like to change and enter a new value. Once you've made your changes, tap Next. General application settings is next, and this is where you can change things like automatic sign-out times and more. Once you're happy with your settings, tap Next. And that's it! Now you're good to go.